Understanding changing tax regulations in the USA for better planning. Tax regulations in the United States are always shifting, and staying ahead of the curve is crucial for ensuring that your retirement savings are protected and growing. The complexities of changing tax laws can be overwhelming, especially if you're planning for retirement and want to make sure you're maximizing every dollar you've worked so hard for. In this video, we're going to break down how these changes impact you directly, and most importantly, how you can navigate them to your advantage. As we move through this video, keep in mind that tax regulations affect everything from your withdrawal strategy to the type of investment accounts you choose. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description for a free Gold IRA guide. It's an essential tool for those looking to safeguard their savings, especially if you're considering how to maximize tax savings in the coming years. Now let's start with one of the most important points, the ongoing shift in tax brackets and rates. The IRS periodically adjusts tax brackets, and this can either help or hurt you depending on your income level. If you're planning for retirement, this could affect how much you owe on your withdrawals from traditional IRAs or 401ks. However, one option that's becoming increasingly attractive for high net worth individuals is the Gold IRA. With the constant adjustments in tax law, having assets that aren't directly tied to traditional financial markets can help shield your wealth from volatility and tax hits. It's also critical to pay attention to changes in required minimum distributions, RMDs. These are mandatory withdrawals from traditional retirement accounts starting at age 73. For many retirees, this can be a significant tax event. But did you know that you can potentially minimize your RMDs by rolling over part of your retirement savings into a Gold IRA? This strategy allows you to take advantage of different types of tax treatments and control how your wealth is taxed in retirement. And let's talk about the rising capital gains taxes, which can eat away at your investment growth. Under certain circumstances, capital gains taxes on stocks and bonds can be as high as 20%, not including state taxes. But with Gold IRAs, you won't face the same tax burden as you would with traditional stocks or bonds. Because Gold IRAs can grow tax deferred, they allow you to keep your wealth working for you longer, without the heavy tax penalties that can come from more conventional investments. On top of that, the 2023 Secure Act has brought about changes to how estates and beneficiaries are taxed. With the introduction of the 10-year rule for inherited IRAs, your heirs may be required to pay taxes on the distributions they take from an inherited retirement account within a 10-year period. This could lead to a hefty tax bill for them. But if you're proactive and roll over some of your retirement savings into a Gold IRA, you can shield your heirs from higher tax rates on those assets, leaving them with more wealth to inherit. Now here's where it gets interesting. The trend toward tax-advantaged accounts is more important than ever. Gold IRAs allow for tax deferrals, and in some cases, tax-free growth. This is crucial as more people face rising taxes and fluctuating markets. If you're thinking ahead about your retirement and the tax burdens you might face, this could be a game changer. In the coming years, there are likely to be even more changes to tax laws, making it harder to predict what your future tax rate will be. But if you're in the right tax-deferred or tax-free vehicles, like Gold IRAs, you can rest easier knowing your assets are more insulated from unpredictable tax hikes. If you're looking for a way to secure your wealth against these changes and keep your hard-earned savings working in your favor, consider a Gold IRA. For retirees with $100K or more in an IRA or 401k, or even 5M Plus in savings, this is the perfect way to safeguard your wealth and take control of your tax future. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're serious about protecting your wealth, don't wait too long. Click the first link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide today. It's perfect for those who want to make smarter decisions now before any more tax changes come into play. In summary, with tax regulations shifting every year, you need to stay informed and proactive about how to structure your retirement. Gold IRAs offer a unique opportunity to protect your wealth from the changing landscape of taxes, and it's the perfect vehicle for American retirees looking to secure their future.